Middle East Center for Computer and Internet Services Explanation of Computer Maintenance and Computer and Internet Services Thursday, August 25, 2022 Ways to increase the speed of the computer if you feel your computer is running slow. There are some simple steps that can help increase its speed. 1. Run computer cleaning programs. CCleaner is one of the excellent programs to clean your computer from any unused files. 2. Remove any animations and visual effects. Animations and visual effects often cause your device to slow down, and to remove them, you can right-click on the screen and then choose Personalization. Then click on Windows Color and tick Transparency. 3. Update the antivirus system. Using antivirus systems helps protect your device, in addition to increasing its speed, so make sure that it is always up to date. 4. Buying an SSD hard disk. This type of hard disk is faster and easier to use. 5. Reduce the number of applications that run when your computer is turned on. Instead of waiting for a long time to unlock your computer, reducing the number of applications that run automatically when you open it helps a lot, and you can do this through the Auto Run application. 6. Find out which applications are slowing down your computer. By right-clicking on the Windows sign, the Task Manager will open, from which you can find out which applications are slowing down the computer. 7. Install a new copy of Windows. If your computer is infected with some malware that cannot be removed, it is best to install a fresh copy of the Windows operating system. 8. Clean up your computer's browser clutter. If you notice that your device's browser is slow, clearing its cache will help increase its speed. 9. Use disk defragmentation. It is preferable to do this step once a week, by clicking on the disk with the right mouse button and selecting Properties, and then clicking on Partition. 10. Restart your computer. Restarting your computer may be the simplest step when your computer is slow. Numbers on August 25, 2022. No comments. Email. Write a blog about this post. Share on Twitter. Share on Facebook. Share on Pinterest. Monday, August 22, 2022. Middle East Center for Computer and Internet Services. Learn computer maintenance from beginner to professional. Learning computer maintenance. Teaching computer maintenance from beginners to professionalism. In this educational group we will learn together about the hardware components of the computer, common malfunctions and their various causes, as well as ways to maintain computer components and repair various malfunctions, as we will learn about the motherboard, processor, memory, dealing with storage media, file systems and partitions, dealing with power, ports, cables and connectors, installing and setting up input units, system resources, managing printers, in addition to how to deal with a laptop computer, preventive maintenance and how to detect faults, to know the motherboard memory sockets and expansion slots, cache memory, motherboard chipsets, BIOS chip and battery, serial and parallel ports, USB ports, different ports, power connectors, IDE drive connectors, SATA, SCSI, and floppy disk drive connectors, electrical connectors, jumpers and dip switches. Motherboard types 1. Motherboard types 2. Expansion slots 1. Expansion slots -2. Expansion slots -3. Device performance considerations. Getting to know the processor address bus registers and cache memory. Math coprocessor. Processor models. Different terms. Chip packing shapes. Different types of processor sockets. Intel's famous processors. Pentium Pro processors, Pentium 2 and Celeron processors, Pentium 3 and Xeon processors. Pentium 4, Itanium and Pentium. AMD's famous processors. Processor installation. CPU cooling. Memory ROM RAM types -1 RAM types -2 How DRAM works DRAM types SDRAM DDR Memory DRAM -1 Memory formats DRAM -2 Memory formats Error detection Memory cache Memory precautions to be observed when buying memory sticks on August 22, 2022 2. Comments. Email Write a blog about this post Share to Twitter Share to Facebook Share to Pinterest Homepage Subscribe to Messages Atom Ways to increase the speed of the computer If you feel that your computer is slow, there are some simple steps that help increase its speed. 1. Run programs without address. Middle East Center for Computer and Internet Services Learning